Good morning, friends. My name is Ariel Long. I'm a fifth grade mathematics teacher for the Catawba County School District in Hickory, North Carolina. I thought I'd just take this opportunity to share a little bit about myself and my personal and professional goals throughout this course. First and foremost, I love teaching math. Math is my passion. I've been a mathematics teacher for 7 of the 8 years that I've been in the classroom. Ironically, math is not something that I would consider one of my stronger subjects when I was young, but it's also really beneficial because it helps me relate to my students that oftentimes say, oh, well, I'm not good at math, or math's just not my thing. So I'm able to kind of give them some insight and personal goals that they're able to accomplish by learning to love math, because math is tangible and there's a million different ways to get an answer, but there's only one answer. Some memorable diversity issues. Throughout my studies here at UGA, I have learned that the gifted population of students that are identified gifted within a county and a school and a district should mirror the diversity that is within that region. I find that oftentimes they do not. So I think this has been kind of a challenge and an eye-opener for me to identify as many as I can of the minority population. My most and least favorite aspect of Engage in Diversity is incorporating diversity into the classroom. For me, it's a huge challenge. I think it would be a little bit easier if I taught reading or social studies to incorporate it. However, teaching mathematics doesn't really present the opportunity very often to kind of incorporate that diversity piece into the classroom. So this is something that I struggle with, but I'm continuing to work on. Every year I try to get a little bit better and incorporate a little bit more. So if you guys have any ideas you want to throw it out at me, feel free. I look forward to working with you guys throughout the course of this semester. It's going to be a short one, but I'm sure we'll all learn a lot. Thank you.